Good morning, happy Monday. Today's video is about two similar sounding words, beside and besides. They might sound alike, but they actually have different meanings and uses. Beside is used when we want to talk about things that are physically next to each other. Imagine that you and your best friends are sitting side by side on a park bench. You're sitting beside each other because you're right next to each other, sharing the same space. On the other hand, besides is used to talk about something additional or apart from what has already been mentioned. It's like having an extra surprise after getting your favorite ice cream. You may say, I got my favorite vanilla ice cream, and besides that, I also got a chocolate topping. Here, besides is used to introduce something extra or in addition to the main thing. Let's look at a couple of examples to see the difference more clearly. The book is beside the laptop on the table. I love playing basketball, and besides that, I also enjoy swimming. One little tip to help you remember. The word beside ends with the word side. So you talk about something that is close to your or another object's side. The word besides has an S at the end, and we usually use S in English for plurals or more than one. So besides is talking about something more, something in addition. So next time you're writing or speaking, pay attention to whether you want to talk about things being next to each other, use beside, or if you want to add some extra information, then use besides. With a little practice, you'll be using these words correctly in no time. Keep up the great work of learning English. Have a wonderful day.